next?
We will set the lash new, look if everything moves normal, and then hope for the best, or put the car to trash. First, the exhaust system is done. And now I'm putting in brake-in oil for the first start. Yeah, we will most probably try today. What time we have?
Let me check. 10.
Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay, repair is done. Let's try to start for the first time.
What do you think?
The car was starting out and I started the break-in period. Now I let it run for 30 minutes in this RPMs and then break-in time is done. Sounds good so far, oil pressure is great. So,
Wo ist er?
here. Yeah, I'm pretty happy.
Und? Hä? Und? Sehr gut, ja. Was?
Let's go!
Aber darf ich sagen? Musst du noch etwas sagen für deinen Kanal? Bullshit.
Fucked up.
Du musst positiv sehen, für deinen YouTube-Kanal ist das A und O.
Ja, aber wieso Film mal?
Ich bin ja dran, die ganze Zeit.
Ja.
Ich bin Bruno, der Kameramann.
Also, das ist ein Film. Good. So maybe you heard about that, or you heard that while I was breaking in, it started to have some noise on the engine and even had misfires. And now we took the left valve cover off, and now if you look here, there's too much play. And I have no idea why. I was setting the play as our 0 lash, all good, and it was okay for 15 minutes, but then it started to have this noise, and now we try to figure out what happened here.
Doe normaal dan, drukken.
It's, I don't know, it's, why? Maybe there's the hydraulic thing, don't know how to say, maybe this one is broken, or it's just that. When I'm lucky, it's just that. I will take it off right now. En dan is af, Bob.
Ja, fix. Oder nein, wartet.
Hast du noch nicht rein?
Versuch.
This all looks good.
Nothing special.
Nothing special, no.
Beleg mal wieder.
Stress raus. Hey, meine.
This one feels also normal. I will try to look, but I don't think I can see it. Wo ist die Lampe? Okay. If I'm lucky, I just need to set the lash new, but yeah, that looks normal. Sieht normal aus. Yeah, strange.
So what's next?
We will set the lash new, look if everything moves normal, and then hope for the best. Or put the car to trash.
Better now.
Also. Ich kann es nachher einstellen und diese Wegstellen ist jetzt irgendwie ein, das wäre auch scheiße.
So tut er. Ist gut, oder?
Good. So we was checking everything, and how it seems the camshaft is fucked. I don't know. We measured everything, but this thing here, this rocket arm, is too low, and we have too less opening time of the valve, or opening measurement. So that means it can be the hydraulic thing or the camshaft. Either way, I will put everything together. I think I'm done soon as winter. I need to look if I get a new camshaft or what I will do now. I will now look with the supplier, and then yeah, I think next year I will go on next year. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.